Just take a look at this place. Oh my Lord. Massive, spotless, and built to handle tens of thousands of people every hour without chaos. Oh my God, just look at that. Welcome to the future, guys. Right now, I'm walking down the carriage of a Chinese high-speed train blasting along at 300 kilometers per hour. I have a ticket in my hand here to attend a very special event in Hangzhou. Find out where later. And guess what? For the first time in China, I don't actually have 5G signal on my phone. I have something even better. While the West is still struggling with 3G and 4G that barely loads a web page, China has already taken it to the next level. 5G in China isn't big news anymore. They've moved on. The 5.5G era is here, and China Mobile's 5G Advanced truly lives up to the word advanced. Lightning fast internet, so fast and reliable you can live stream in 4K, upload videos, download movies, make video calls, and even watch your favorite vlogger in 4K. No lag, no buffering, while riding a train that is going over 300 kilometers per hour. Which, by the way, for comparison, that's about 4 times faster than UK trains and nearly 7 times faster than America's Amtrak average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. This time here in Hangzhou, a true cyber city, I want to see how technology makes sports even more electrifying. This ticket here in my hand is to attend the Zhebiei Basketball City Championship, one of the hottest basketball tournaments of the summer. But first, let's check out the incredible Hangzhou West Station. This feels more like an international airport than a train station. Just take a look at this place. Massive, spotless, and built to handle tens of thousands of people every hour without chaos. Now I'm heading straight down to Metro Line 19, seamlessly connecting high-speed rail with the city's underground network. And of course, the entire way I'm still on 5G Advanced, whether I'm above ground, traveling at bullet speed, or diving into the subway tunnels. The connection doesn't drop for a second, so I can continue to watch my favorite vlogger even down here. And if you thought that train station was impressive, wait until you see this. Forget delivery drivers stuck in traffic. Here, a drone will literally bring your food or drinks straight to you, powered by the same 5G Advanced network. Zhejiang's low-altitude economy is taking off, and China Mobile Zhejiang has rolled out several integrated communication and sensing sites across this area, covering everything from ground level up to 600 meters. The network forms a 3D electronic fence. Inside this airspace, it delivers both connectivity and real-time detection. The setup lets courier drones and traffic-controlled UAVs operate with a safety net while instantly flagging and warning about any unauthorized intruders. Right now, we're heading back into the metro on Line 5 to head to the next destination. Hangzhou's 5G signal is incredible. Not only do they have 5G down here on the metro, they're also close to achieving full coverage, even in basements and elevators. And it really shows everything is so convenient here. Hangzhou is truly a remarkable internet city, from 4G to 5G and now the latest 5G. This has always been one of the first cities to launch these technologies commercially. You see names like DeepSeek, Unitree and Changnao have already put Hangzhou on the global tech map earlier this year, making it a cradle for breakthroughs in AI, embodied robotics, and the low altitude economy. And just take a look at this over there. I've actually just spotted someone making a video call. I'm going to be a little bit cheeky and go over and ask them, how's the signal, how's the connection? 你好，你好。稍等一下。网络怎么样？网络很快啊，这是中国啊。Why do you ask me this question? You shouldn't ask me the question about this. This is China. 网络在哪里都很快。There you have it. Okay, 谢谢。There you have it, straight from a Chinese person. Don't even ask the question. The speed, the connection, don't worry about it. 这是中国。And meanwhile, in the West, you go into the London Underground and your phone might as well turn into a brick. You can't even get a signal. That's why everyone's reading books. We have now arrived at Hangzhou Street, and I heard it's a place where foreigners always hang out here and never want to leave. I'm intrigued, so let's see for ourselves. Well, look what I found here, a robot giving tours. This is so cool. This is Xiaotian Robot, a product of Unitree Robotics, one of Hangzhou's famous 6 little dragons. You might remember their robot's performance at the Spring Festival Gala. Yep, this is his brother. Xiaotian relies on Zhejiang Mobile's 5G integrated computing power combined with advanced visual large model algorithms to deliver guided tours. Right, time's almost up. I've got to head over and watch Zhebi. Let's go. The Zhebi City Championship is one of the hottest sporting events in Zhejiang province. This is the arena. This is basketball. This is pure passion, pure energy. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. It's so loud in this place. Zhejiang Mobile is powering the arena with high-speed, ultra-stable connectivity. For the Zhebi, they've rolled out exclusive network services, uplink speeds reaching up to 150 megabytes per second, and download speeds up to an incredible 1.25 gigabytes per second. Whether it's high-definition photos or real-time live streams, every spectacular moment on the court can be captured and shared instantly. From the thrill of racing into Hangzhou on a high-speed train to stepping into the futuristic halls of Hangzhou West Station, from strolling down Hangzhou Street to having a drone drop a drink right into my hands and feeling the roar of the crowd at the Zhebi. Every moment was seamless, every connection unbroken, all made possible by Zhejiang Mobile's 5G. Technology lights up sports, lights up life, and lights up the city. And here in Hangzhou, that light shines brighter than ever. And with that message, that is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one at the next location. Signing off.